Ripple, XRP, price is set to gain ground above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA, in a repetition pattern as seen last week and the week before, where bulls were able to each time consolidate above a key pivotal or technical level. Until now, bulls have had an easy play, but headwinds are nearby, with central banks kicking off their first central bank meeting for the year. While the profit target for the first quarter is set at 49 cents, seeing the headwinds to emerge next week, that might be a bit too far-fetched. Welcome to XRP Insider, we provide the latest news of XRP Ripple. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. Ripple price repeats the same playbook strategy as it did with the previous 4 weeks of profits. Each time bulls can gain control of an important area above a key technical level or key area. Although this is a very solid and well-controlled strategy, the issue is that the next profit target is the target foreseen for Q1 and has no handles between now and 49 cents, which makes it too far and impossible to be reached in time. XRP price is thus at risk of collapsing like a house of cards in an attempt to go for that 49 cents. With the US Federal Reserve and its chairman Jerome Powell coming out at the beginning of next week, the bullish mood could be dampened as central bankers are set to pour cold water on that same sentiment. Expect to see the support levels of the 200-day SMA and the 55-day SMA be tested before $0.3616 needs to step in to make sure that the rally does not fade too much. A positive surprise could be that Jerome Powell changes his stance and returns to the dove he has always been. That means that the Federal Reserve does not see inflation staying steady or at risk of rising again. Should Powell even come out saying that inflation is declining rapidly, XRP price would be seen spiking higher and reach that 49 cents, jumping over 20% in value. Ripple is a technology that acts as both a cryptocurrency and a digital payment network for financial transactions. It was first released in 2012 and was co-founded by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb. Ripple's main process is a payment settlement asset exchange and remittance system, similar to the SWIFT system for international money and security transfers, which is used by banks and financial middlemen dealing across currencies. The token used for the cryptocurrency is pre-mined and utilizes the ticker symbol XRP. Ripple is the name of the company and the network, and XRP is the cryptocurrency token. The purpose of XRP is to serve as an intermediate mechanism of exchange between two currencies or networks, as a sort of temporary settlement layer. Confirmation of the bearish thesis will be if ADA's price breaks below the 9-day EMA line in the next 24 hours. Meanwhile, the bullish thesis will be confirmed when the daily RSI line crosses above the daily RSI small line. Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of financial technology company Ripple Labs, has expressed confidence in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit being settled this year, noting that a final ruling might come before June 30. Speaking on the sidelines of the World Economic Forum in Davos, the Ripple executive revealed that he was satisfied with the Ripple team's defense. He also noted that they were open to a settlement with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, despite the regulator's continued insistence on most cryptocurrencies being securities. The case is now fully briefed. We're optimistic that this will be resolved in 2023 and maybe the first half, Brad said in an interview with CNBC. So, we will see how it plays out from here, but I feel very good about where we are relative to the law and the facts. Garlinghouse was sued by the SEC alongside Ripple and Chris Larsen, the company's co-founder, in 2020 for selling $1.3 billion worth of XRP after the regulator claimed the process breached US securities laws. He further noted that a settlement for the lawsuit would not only be essential to Ripple, but also the crypto industry in the United States. Garlinghouse also weighed in on the current state of the cryptocurrency market, noting that he's bullish on Bitcoin, Ether and other cryptos in the long term. I have tried to stay out of the short-term price prediction on all things Bitcoin and crypto in general. However, I'm long-term very bullish, Brad said. To him, not even the recent FTX debacle or the ongoing chaos by crypto firms such as DCG and Gemini could prevent the crypto sector's long-term success. I think you'll continue to hear noise with what's going on with DGC and Gemini. Hard to know, it sounds like that could work out constructively. The fact that you are seeing some changes in the crypto world I think can be healthy for the industry in the long term. He went on. Asked about what he thought would be the biggest catalyst to the success of crypto, Brad, 51, noted that it was focusing on companies that are solving real problems and drawing up regulations for the crypto sector. Ripple CTO David Schwartz is still of the opinion that Satoshi Nakamoto, the pseudonymous creator of Bitcoin, is more of a collective than an individual. The discussion started when crypto enthusiast Mr. Huber, with the Twitter handle @Leerzeit, tweeted that one thing he would never understand was the 100% certainty that Satoshi Nakamoto was gone. He added that if it was a group, the probability was even higher. Schwartz chipped in. A group of people just decided to forget about a claim worth tens of billions of dollars. It is believed that Nakamoto holds at least 1 million bitcoins based on the crypto wallets used by the Bitcoin creator. Thus, it is reasonable to conclude that Nakamoto owns about $23 billion in Bitcoin at the current market price. Since it was first created, presumably by Nakamoto, not a single Bitcoin has ever been taken out of any of its wallets, except for the initial 10 BTC transferred to Hal Finney in 2009. The question of who is Satoshi Nakamoto and why hasn't he, she, or they stepped forward to claim this fortune arises with the immense wealth. In the Twitter discussions, Neil Hartner, senior staff software engineer at Ripple, gave a possible reason for the untouched wealth. Maybe they lost the keys and decided to let the mystique live on, rather than admit even the smartest people can lose seed phrases. Ripple CTO David Schwartz replied, "That makes sense." He continued, "It could also have been a group of people, and some of them have died, leaving the remainder unable to access the keys." Crypto Law founder John Deaton responded to Schwartz's comment. "I believe CSW, Craig Satoshi Wright, was involved at the beginning. He knew no one else would trademark white paper. Hal is dead. Clayman is dead." He then added, "Someone died, and the private key died with them." On January 12, 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto sent Hal Finney, a renowned cryptographer and computer scientist, 10 BTC. The renowned cryptographer was the first individual to download and install the Bitcoin software and also to put a price on the cryptocurrency. Finney was rumored to be the creator of Bitcoin, but reports say he consistently denied this. Finney sadly passed away in August 2014. Ripple News cryptocurrency influencer. We would like to make it clear that this is not a platform designed expressly to offer financial advice, and we are not requesting that you invest in any particular business. This is just a route used to deliver instructional material to your door. See you again soon on XRP Insider, the leading source for cryptocurrency news.